What's up, guys? You watch another video. I'm looking crusty dusty, huh? I need a haircut, dude. Anyways, thank you guys for watching another vlog. If you guys haven't watched yesterday's video, go watch it. It's actually pretty cool. Damn, look at all the G80s. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, guys, we actually went jet skiing and I vlogged the whole thing. The video didn't do too good because it's more like a lifestyle vlog. I feel like when I don't have a car on the thumbnail, especially my car on the thumbnail, the video just doesn't do good, which is understandable. But go watch it, guys. It's actually a funny video, probably the most fun I've had in a while. It was super fun. But today's a new video, new day, and we're going to a Beamer Invasion car meet. It's at SSR Performance. I have not been to the new SSR Performance shop. What's funny is you guys probably heard of SSR, but I went to them when they first started, bro. I was probably one of the first people to go to them when I did rod bearings on my E92 M3. That's how long ago. And they had a little tiny shop, and now their shop is huge. It's massive, dude. So we're gonna check it out right now. I've never been to the new shop, and they're collabing today with Beamer Invasion, and it's gonna be a cool meet. A lot of freaking BMWs, a lot of G80s. It should be sick. We made it. What?
The pink.
Of course it's the pink. It has a pink F80 and M4.
Wow.
But look at this thing. My twin with the sick ass wheel setup, bro. I actually use this car as one of my thumbnails for some clickbait. This car is fire. Wow, look at that F80 with the fat tire on the back. I do miss the F80, guys. And of course the pink one over there. We gotta go look at that. Damn, it's packed, bro. So many people. Hella BMWs. What's up? That one's sick. Look at the BBSs on that one. Bro, that one's so clean. Look at the BBSs. That shit is perfect. Same color as mine too. With red buckets. Oh, that car is literally perfect. Look who's them too.
Julie.
What's up, bro? Damn, that one's nice too. Everyone got the BBSs.
Funny name.
What's up, bro? Damn, that shit is hella nice. And all the carbon in the engine bay. With BBSs too? Bro, they're just handing BBSs out, huh? Wow. There's a lot of crazy cars here. The Supra BMW at a Beamer show. It's actually one of my favorite factory colors, the Dravit Gray. If I had that color, I probably wouldn't wrap it. I would just keep it, bro. It's like the nicest factory color, I think, in my opinion. Jaws freaking 720. That's the owner of SSR, his car. Shit looks crazy. There's a lot of sick ass cars here. Shout out to Beamer Invasion for getting us some parking up front. Shout out to them. Guys, we parked right here, next to the M2, next to E92 in red. Both red cars. Look, it's a sign. We gotta wrap mine red. There's a ton of sick cars, guys. Wow, look at this Supra. That shit is on the floor, literally on the floor, bro. That is crazy. Beautiful M3 CS. Holy crap. That is goals, I swear. And we got Kevin in white. Oh, you almost ran me over.
I got my shit back.
It's just hard, bro. It looks good. Look how nice this shop is. Wow, bro, this shop is insane. Dude, and crazy ass cars are here. BBSs. I saw this one at the last Beamer Invasion in San Diego. And I told Kevin, it looks better than some G80 M3s out there. And this is the M340, bro. That is crazy. So nice, that colorway. Holy crap, that looks like brand new. That might be the cleanest E92 I've ever seen in my life, bro. Holy crap. With the Recaros. Dude, this thing has to have 30K miles. There's no way it doesn't.
Hey, Nick, you know what you need?
What's up?
You need a front axle lift system on your car.
Has it or what?
Check it out.
No way. I need this car, bro. Is your car?
Yeah.
What? That is sick.
Yeah,
You don't break no more lips, huh?
Dude, never, bro.
That's sick, bro. Dude, this thing is probably the nicest E92 I've ever seen.
Oh, shut up.
How many miles does it have?
It's 75,000.
70? Damn. I was expecting 30, bro.
Nah.
It looks brand new.
Appreciate it.
Dude, this is a nice ass car. Got a wide body M2. I think this is my homie's old car. Look at he put new seats in it, I think. All these cars in here are show cars, bro. They're too nice. Look at the interior on this. Holy crap. Bro, my car does not belong in here. That's why I parked outside. What's up, guys?
Hey,
how's it going? Daniel brought his G80 out. He never brings this thing out, I swear, bro. It's cool to see it out and about at a car show. It looks so good. This is Daniel's car, guys. The guy that works on all of my cars. Literally does all the mods on my car. I've seen people commenting that my G80 is pretty much Daniel's G80 since he built it. But Daniel's just so meticulous and perfect, bro. I don't know. He literally treats your car like if it's his. So that's why I go to him and I trust him installing stuff on my car. He does a way better job than I could.
This is the one who does all your
Yeah, it's Daniel. So, dude, he has the center exhaust.
Whoa.
It's just like $9,000.
With like spider eyes.
Spider eyes? Yeah, not that many people do it because it's a $9,000 option, but it looks sick. Daniel got the red buckets inside. Also, this color, I think there's only maybe 2 in the world, this color.
2?
Yeah, Daniel has one. It comes off of the E36s. I think it's ultraviolet purple, I think. I have to ask him again. It probably says it in the engine bay, but
Well, there's
it comes off the E36 M3, guys. You put it on a G80 M3. How crazy is that? This car is super nice. Daytona Violet. I thought it was ultraviolet, but it's Daytona Violet, so still super rare color, and I believe it's off the E36 M3s. Super nice. And then of course we got Fresh Kicks car. Mr. Fresh Kicks with the fresh kicks. God damn. Bro, that's all my car's missing. It's just the buckets, and my car will literally like jump a couple levels, dude, I swear. And his wheel setup is insane. Big baller. Freaking wheels are huge. This car is huge. That's goals. One day, that'll be the mom car maybe.
Yeah.
God damn, bro, yeah, literally. This is the sickest freaking truck ever. It even has a little carbon fiber everywhere. That's so badass. It has to be black. Like, there's no other color. I know you don't want it pink, but
No.
a pink one would be sick too, but all black. And I'll get rid of all that chrome,
Just
black
the
too.
pink one.
And we got my boy Jake's car with the freaking chrome TEs. My twin. Or did I copy him? I kind of copied him. I said it before, but I actually photoshopped his wheels on my GTR before I chromed mine out because I wanted to get an idea from it. But yeah, you can say I copied him, I guess. This car is so nice though. Beautiful freaking M4. If I had my F80 still, I probably would have chromed out my wheels too. This is ridiculous, guys. The whole entire Lambo is carbon fiber. Everything on the car. The hood, the fenders, the bumper, everything. Oh my God, dude. That is so sick. I'm so jealous. This is goals. Imagine having this. I literally wouldn't even want to drive it, I think, because it's too nice. But you want this? This is hard too. This one actually has a, you know how they put stars on the roof?
On the side.
It has stars on the doors, yeah. How you know that?
I see it.
Oh, hell no. Oh yeah, see? You can see like the little stars. They're off right now, but yeah, the whole side of the door has stars on it. And the roof. And then a freaking STO, my favorite Lambo, bro, besides the SVJ. But this thing is ridiculous. Insane, dude. Oh my God. Imagine I had this. Why didn't I just get out of this car, you know? That'll be freaking insane.
It's your weapon or what?
One day.
Just couple more months, bro.
I know. One day, hopefully. This thing is so nice. Carbon fiber wheels too. Damn, dude. Beautiful freaking E46. Look at that paint. And these seats are ridiculous. Hope you guys are able to see them. Look how crazy that is. All carbon fiber. Damn, dude. And then my boy Got Chucks, probably the nicest M4. I keep saying that about all these cars, but these are like all the cars I see on Instagram, literally. But Got Chucks' M4 is on another level. Like, I don't think I've ever seen a car this clean, and this paint is ridiculous.
So beautiful.
I think like a one-of-one paint job too. I don't know how many are made this color, but I've never really seen that many. Got the white cage in here, the white buckets. Damn, bro, his car is so nice. Look at that. It's even color match right here with the white HREs. The white with the white interior. Oh, there it is. Wildberry metallic. Damn.
It's beautiful.
That is sick ass color. That engine bay is ridiculous. Look at that. All carbon with the color match stuff all over. The white, the hints of white with the white wheels and the white interior. Everything just flows perfect on this car, bro. He definitely knows how to build a freaking car. My boy Kevin's car, the owner of Beamer Plug, guys. His car is so nice. Of course, he got all the Beamer Plug everywhere. His orange interior, the lime rock spec, carbon hood, carbon roof. Everything's matching. I want this hood so bad. He told me he would sell it to me. Should we buy it? It looks so nice with the amber lights. A little bit different since everybody does freaking yellow lights. The amber's pretty cool. It matches the interior perfect. Damn, these cars are crazy. I'm about to go home and I think order more parts. I want to redo my whole car, guys. I want to do like a full transformation again. Like, these cars are just like, I don't know, bro, on another level. I don't think my car is this clean. It might be to some people, but to me, well, these are ridiculous.
Better?
Yeah, I think my car could be better, guys. We're gonna do another transformation soon. Once we wrap the car, we're changing the wheel color, changing the wrap color, changing the caliper color.
You're literally changing everything.
Yeah, we're gonna do a whole nother makeover. So, a version 2 of my car, watch. Damn, look at that Supra. Holy crap, bro, look at that paint. Damn. And that paint too. What the heck, bro? All the cars here are just too clean. I haven't even stopped recording because there's just so much to film here. Everything is like a show car here. My boy's M3 with the cage and everything. Sick E46. Oh, this is that Adro M4. This thing is sick, bro. Kind of looks like Kix's car, huh? Somewhat, but it's like the Adro Y-body kit. It's pretty much Kix's car, but Y-body. HREs on it. Look at that side skirt, how big it is. I thought my side skirt was big. And those seats. Woo. What if we did these? Like real question, guys. Because I actually seen and they're not that bad. I mean, bro, you could get these cheaper than the actual G80 bucket seats. And that shift knob, bro, I need that. I think it's like a whole shifter. I should definitely do that, bro. It probably feels so sick to drive. Yeah, today I'm just getting ideas. Ideas to do on our car, guys. I gotta do all this. Anthony's wide body M4, of course. Also with the carbon seats. See, the other ones look more comfortable, bro. You wouldn't want to sit on those? She for sure is gonna hate it when I switch the seats out. They don't recline at all, too. It's like shit, straight up. Shaw's McLaren 720. They redid the whole car. They even wrapped all this stuff. And this car's wrapped, by the way. You would think it's paint, but it's freaking wrapped. They did the whole front end all the same color. Looks sick, dude. 720 would be a fun car to have. I want one, but I just heard they're very unreliable. It's scary. The way I drive, bro, and how much I drive, I don't think a McLaren's for me, bro. That's why I want the R8 or a Huracan, because the V10s are reliable. Freaking CSL. Rich. That's rich right there. And that's how my car would look if I PPF'd it, guys. Sam PPF. Bro, there's so many BMWs. Like, it's ridiculous, dude. Damn. What's up, bro? Sell it to me. Got the clear tails. Bro, I swear I'll buy it right now. I'm a tell him. This one's so perfect, bro. I swear, dude. You got the buckets, too. I need buckets. Damn, look at that GT3. Bro, I swear, if you have a Porsche, you gotta put a big wing like that. What's up, boss?
Hey, bro, how you been?
How are you? Where's your car at?
Ours in Florida. It's stuck in Florida.
My favorite G80 he has,
No,
guys.
he's been saying everybody else's G80.
No, you're my favorite, bro.
Appreciate it.
M5 CS. Was that the one from the last video, drifting? Look at this M4 with TEs and it's red. It don't even have a lip or nothing and it looks so good. It has to be bagged, right? There's no way he's driving that low, bro. There's no way. Damn, that color is sick. I think it's like Toronto red, right? I think. Supra? Is that a Supra? Or a BMW? Look, he chromed out the stocks. Damn. That's actually hard. Look, 2025. Rich. No way she got a 2025. She got the new headlights, new taillights, everything. I already saw one crash on TikTok, guys. How are people crashing so many G80s? Like, I don't get it, bro. I think it has to be like the most crashed car is a freaking G80 or G82. Everyone crashes them, bro. I don't know how.
Because they're fast?
They're fast.
The people who buy them are young?
People are young. There's always like 17-year-olds driving these G80s. And they're very fast. And people turn off the traction. Don't turn it off, guys.
You!
Daniel? Yeah, I love turning off the traction. I literally drive the car with no traction all the time. It is scary, but it's fun. Hi. I like your car, sir.
Thank you.
Bro, what color is that? That color's super nice. That's paint? Or wrapped? It might be paint, bro. It might be like that fashion gray, no? Bro, that is a sick color, dude. Oh, he's revving it in front of the cop. Look at him. He did not look too happy. Here's that G80 we saw coming in. It's super freaking nice, guys. Just simple, you know, just bagged, obviously. The BBSs. That's it. Don't even got the carbon roof, but it actually looks good. Some more cars over here. Guys, by the way, we're like a block away and there's still cars parked over here. This place is packed, dude. We had to come look at the pink cars.
This is what Nick got me for my birthday, guys.
You want that for your birthday? Damn, it's literally an F80 pink. That's how my car would have looked. It looks pretty cool. They're both like the same pink, huh?
Yeah.
Damn. M4 and M3. They should have parked together.
So beautiful.
You like it?
I love it. I don't like it, I love it.
I had to come look at this. Freaking R8. Probably the only R8 here. Dude. Damn it, bro. We were so close to getting one too. How close?
Yeah.
We almost got one, guys. And we're still gonna get one. I promise, dude. I want it so bad.
You will.
It's so sick. It just needs a wing on it, you know, slammed. Maybe some TEs. I'll probably do a full carbon hood on it too. It's crazy because you do the carbon hood on this, it even does like the fender. It's all one piece. Look at that. It's really, really sick. Ah, red interior too. I need to find one with red interior. I almost settled, guys, for a very base model R8. I almost did, but I'm glad I didn't. You see, I didn't settle. Now I'm gonna get a sick ass R8. I'm gonna find one with red interior. It's so hard to find, but it has to have red interior. Even on the G80, bro, I kind of settled for the black interior too. It's just so hard to find red interior on cars, guys. Damn, look at the cage on that. Sheesh. But when I get R8, I'm gonna find a red interior one. I have to, bro. So sick. Those wheels are insane. Look how nice this shop is, guys. I'm gonna try to show the best I could, but this is the front desk as soon as you walk in. You got the desk right here, you got a little waiting lobby. Damn, bro, what the? Bro, this shop is crazy.
Dude, look at this, like decorations
I've
up
never
there.
seen
Indoor
that.
showroom, right?
That is crazy.
Like, you're in the VIP area. This is where all the high-end cars and all the high-end owners are. Oh, look at this. This is insane.
Yeah, this is ridiculous. This is like the waiting room. I know, literally. Shop goals for sure. The waiting room, got the TV, got more little like slideshow of pictures from their shop. Bro, is that right now? That's crazy. And then over here they got like a bar. What's up, bro? Damn, this place is sick. And then over here, they got a little simulator. They got a little racing sim over here. Pretty sick. Damn, I want to try that, bro. I should go next. Is this a line? And then over here, I think they got like another conference room or something. Bro, this shop is crazy. The shop goals, bro. Congrats to freaking SSR. This is insane. Like I said on the way over here, bro, I've been to their shop when they first started. They did the rod bearings on my E92, and their shop was like 2 car lifts maybe. I don't know. It's very small. And now look how big their freaking shop is. It's insane. Damn, what's in here, bro? Look at that Lambo and the Supra. That dude got hella cars. Guys, this is super sick. Look, they got the E46 M3, E92 M3, F80 M3, and they're all BBS E88s. They're all matching, bro. All the generations. All right, guys. Well, that was sick. I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. It was probably a short video, I think. I don't know. I've been getting used to like the 20-minute vlogs. So anything under that feels like it's super short, bro. I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. Cool little Beamer meet. A huge, actually, Beamer meet. There was a lot of people, a lot of homies, a lot of you guys. Tons of people wearing the merch. That's always dope to see. I got a lot of motivation and stuff I want to do to my G80 now. If you guys enjoyed that video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.